Hey, I'm gonna prove sine rule in a triangle. I have done this triangle ABC and I have done CD perpendicular on AB. Opposite side of angle A denoted by small a, opposite side of angle B denoted by B, opposite side of angle C denoted by C. So, and CD denoted by ace. So, in triangle ADC, sin A equal perpendicular ace divided by hypotenuse B. That means A is equal B sin A. Now, in triangle BDC, again in triangle BDC, sin B equal perpendicular ace divided by hypotenuse A. That means A is equal A sin B. So A is equal B sin A and A is equal A sin B. So we can write A sin B equal B sin A. Now convert sin B to the right side and sin A to the left side. And it's gonna be A by sin A equal B by sin B. Similarly, we can write C by sin C equal B by sin B. So, A by sin A equal B by sin B equal C by sin C. This is our sine rule in a triangle, and it's very simple. I'm Muzammil Haq and this is Muzammil World, and I'm looking forward to seeing you to the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.